this might be the most important video that you will watch as a Forex trader. And if you want to become a successful Forex trader, you need to
master these three things in your trading
plan. So in simple terms, a trading plan is a guideline to your success in trading, or a guideline so you don't take that losing trade that keeps blowing your account. Before we go any further, hit that bell, subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. So what we're about to do is now jump into the steps, or the 3 steps that you need in your trading plan that will help you set up that perfect trading plan. So guys, here are the 3 steps to build a perfect trading plan. With that being said, guys, every trading plan should have your strategy, your risk management, and a checklist in order to take a good trade. Now, let's jump into that. So the breakdown of the strategy should basically explain your strategy step by step. Like for example, I trade only when the market's at a trend line. You start a trading, scalper day trader or swing trader. Time you trade in New York, Asian or London. Then the pairs you trade. For example, a good tip, pairs that you trade should be not Nasdaq and USD. Trade like one index, one commodity, one currency. Don't trade the same market, guys. With that being said, your risk management. How much are you going to risk per trade? How many trades you take a day? And how will you manage your trade is very important. It needs to be part of your risk management. Now, also with that being said, your checklist. In order to have a good trade, right, you need to have a step-by-step process or step-by-step list that you tick off before you take a good trade. And with that being said, example be like, the market's at the trend line, the market has Fibonacci, the market has a support resistance, and I can take it now. For example, that's a good thing, you know. So a checklist will help you to take a good trade. And the bonus tip for you guys is this 4 type of trades you have: a good win, a bad win, a good loss, a bad loss. So for that being said, if I'm going to say that again, a good win is basically one that followed your checklist, followed your trading plan. A bad loss, a bad win is the one that you didn't follow your trading plan and you basically over risked or something like that, right? For a bad win, a bad win or bad loss is one where you didn't follow your trading plan, and a good loss is when you followed your trading plan and the market just didn't go your way. So bonus tip for you guys is to follow a 3-step process. Is 1, analyze the market with your checklist, and then also calculate your risk. Step 2 is manage your trade while you're in a trade. Don't just marry a trade, manage it while it's going. And step 3 is, once the trade is done, what will you do, win or lose? What are you going to do after that? That's very important. So with that being said, guys, please do like this video, comment down below, and if you found this video very fruitful, just let me know in the comments, guys. So with that being said, Shaquille Samar, your mentor, is signing out.